Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's start.
Oh, Emma, I am so hungry right now.
Me too, honey. I am very hungry too.
We walked around the city all day long.
Yes, we did. My feet hurt a little bit.
Look over there. There is a McDonald's restaurant.
Oh, perfect. I really love McDonald's food.
Me too. It is fast and very easy.
Yes, and I am too tired to cook tonight.
Let's go inside and get some food.
Okay, let's go. I can't wait to eat.
I am so excited to eat something now.
Me too, honey. Let's go eat together.
Wow, it smells really good in here.
Yes, I can smell the French fries already.
That is my favorite smell in the world.
Look, honey, there are many people inside.
Yes, it looks like a popular place.
I see an empty table over there. Look.
Good, let's order our food first, okay?
Yes, I am very hungry now. Let's hurry.
What do you want to eat tonight?
I want a burger and some fries.
That sounds great. I want the same thing.
Perfect. Let's go to the counter together.
There are so many choices here.
Yes, it's hard to choose. What do you want?
I think I want a big, tasty burger.
With extra sauce on it, maybe?
Yes, I really love extra sauce on my burger.
That sounds like a really good idea, honey.
And of course, I want large fries too.
Of course, fries are always the best part.
What drink do you want to have tonight?
I would like a cold cola.
Sounds perfect. I will have the same drink.
Okay, let's go order our food now.
Hello, can I have one burger, please?
Sure thing. Would you like extra sauce on it?
Yes, please. Extra sauce sounds really good.
Okay, no problem. Anything else for you today?
Yes, one large fries, please, for the table.
Large fries. Got it. Anything else you need?
And two cold colas, please, for us both.
2 colas. No problem at all, sir. Your total today is $10, please.
Here you are. Please keep the change.
Thank you. Please wait just one moment, okay?
Thank you very much for your help today.
Here is your order, sir. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much for your help today.
Oh, wow, honey. It all looks so delicious.
Yes, I am extremely hungry right now, Emma.
Let's go sit down at our table and eat.
That is a really good idea, my love.
I can see our table is right over there.
Let's walk over there. I am so hungry.
Me too. Let's hurry before our food gets cold.
Wait a second. Something is wrong here.
What's wrong, honey? What do you see?
I don't see our fries on the tray.
Oh no, you're right. I don't see them either.
But we ordered large fries a few minutes ago.
Yes, I remember that very clearly, honey.
But they are simply not here on the tray.
That is really strange, isn't it, Mark?
Maybe the staff member just forgot about it.
That can happen sometimes in busy restaurants like this.
So, what should we do about this now?
Don't worry, honey. I think I can fix this. Wait, let me check our receipt first, okay?
That is a really good idea, Emma.
Yes, look here. It clearly says large fries.
So, we really did order it, after all.
Yes, honey, it is written right here.
I think we need to talk to them.
Don't worry about it, honey. I will go talk.
Are you sure you want to go alone?
Yes, I can speak slowly and explain clearly.
Okay then, I will wait right here for you.
I will be back in just a moment.
Good luck, Emma. I believe in you.
Excuse me, please. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. How can I help you?
We are missing our fries from our order.
Oh no, I am really sorry about that.
Here is our receipt if you want to check.
Yes, I see it here. Large fries. Correct.
Thank you so much for checking it carefully.
I will get your fries right away, okay?
Thank you. I really appreciate your help today.
I am very sorry for the small mistake.
No problem at all. These things happen sometimes.
Here are your fresh hot fries. Enjoy your meal.
Look, Mark, I finally got our fries.
Wonderful, honey. Thank you so much for that.
It was actually very easy to fix, really.
You did a really great job back there.
The staff member was very kind about it.
That is really good to hear, my love.
Now, we finally have everything we ordered.
Yes, let's sit down and eat our food.
I am so hungry now. Let's start eating.
Me too, honey. Let's finally sit down together.
Okay, here we go. Finally, some food.
Our food is finally complete. Let's enjoy it. Honey, this burger is really delicious.
Yes, it really is so tasty, isn't it?
And these fries are absolutely perfect too.
They are so crispy and warm. I love them.
I am so happy right now sitting here.
Me too, honey. This was a great choice.
Yes, I think this was a good choice.
McDonald's was definitely the perfect choice tonight.
I really love eating dinner with you, Emma.
I love eating dinner with you too, Mark.
Today turned out to be a really good day.
Yes, honey, it was a really good day.
Are you feeling full now, honey?
Yes, I am very full and very happy.
Me too. I feel really good right now.
Thank you so much for today, Mark.
No, thank you, Emma, for everything today.
I think we really make a great team.
Yes, honey, we really do make one.
Even when we have small problems like today,
We always find a way to solve them together.
that is very true, isn't it, Mark?
I really love our little adventures together, Emma.
Me too, honey. I always love them.
That was a really great dinner tonight, honey.
Yes, it was a perfect ending to our day.
I am so full right now. Really full.
Me too, honey. Happily full and tired.
Where should we go next, do you think?
Maybe we should go back to our hotel now.
That sounds like a good idea. I'm tired.
Me too, honey. Let's go and rest.
Thank you for such a wonderful day today.
Thank you too, Mark. It was wonderful.
I love you so much, Emma.
I love you too, Mark. Very much. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.